Oh, oh, Vinny. I mean Beanie. Why'd I say Vinny? I'm sorry. Beanie. That's because Beanie and I love Vinny. Marlene's Vinny. Because we have a Vinny shirt. Okay, Beanie. Beanie was attempting to type a little bit. Are you gonna try and type again? You gonna type? You wanna type? He had his beak over here before. He wanted to type. Didn't you? Whoops. Yes, you did. You wanted to type. But you won't do it now, will you? Oh, you sound so cute. Aren't you? You're too cute. You're too cute for me, right, sweetie? You too cute. Yeah. Oh. Well, he's not gonna do it now because I turned on the camera. Oh, wait, he might. Oh, hi, look, you're facing the camera. Aren't you cute? Yeah. Yeah. Cute moments like these make all your trouble worth it. Yeah. Yeah, it's all worth it. All your trouble is worth it. Oh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Do you know you're looking too cute? Mm-hmm. All right.